Alright, where is this?
We're at the SonoHotel by Monreale here on International Drive in Orlando, Florida.
And we have an Otis elevator to ride, one of the two elevators here at this hotel. Call buttons 1.
Lovely.
This is an older Otis elevator, series 1. Hello. So this is from like the 1980s.
What floor? What floor?
3. Thank you.
Sorry. Big bump. Have a good night.
Bye bye.
Someone took the door close button.
Alright, here we go to 4. Listen to the motor going up 1 floor. Indicator is completely dead. Big bump.
Thing sucks.
Here about 4. It's a little bit over level. Back down to 1. There's no door closed because it's been punched out.
This key switch is also good.
Nice. Anyway, here's your cab view. There's Will right there.
Howdy, howdy. I don't know what
There's our
this
private security.
Oh, look, your cab is peeling apart.
Wait, what is? Nice. Older Series 1 buttons. 2,500 pound capacity. Certificate right there. Alright, where do you want to end?
We can end here if you want.
Okay.
Still over
We'll switch to the ER elevator.
Look here. My whole foot level.
Yeah, it's over level. Anyways, on to the next elevator. Alright, here we have the other elevator at this property.
SonoHotel. Look at that.
Got another Otis Series 1 from the 80s.
I don't know what I'm stepping in, but I hope that's water.
Yeah. This hotel is definitely kind of a little bit sketchy. Here's the elevator. So it's just like the one I just filmed. Renovated cab. Go down to 1. This one has a door close button, thankfully.
And an alarm.
The alarm works. Look at the cab you roll it down. There's Will right there.
Howdy, howdy.
There's our friend Mr. Security. Pretty much the same as the other one, like I said. Renovated cab.
Show this one has a door close button you can actually press.
Yep. Camera got blur. There we go.
Blink.
Button goes out. Capacity 2,500. There's your floor indicator. Certificate. Alright, set up to 4.
That button is nasty. I don't know what that is on it.
Yeah, door close works. Alright, listen to the motor. Got a GL or general plate up there. Unfortunately, this thing runs a little bit rough. Alright, we'll go down to 1 and it down there. Unfortunately, floor indicator is dead as well, so we'll watch one as well.
This isn't even like a... See, look, it's just a sticker on the actual normal wall. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
That's kind of underwhelming. If I can pull this off, but I really wanted to. I'm not going to.
Yeah, so don't mess with it.
I could.
That's also dead. There's a machine room. Actually, set it to 4, or at least set it to a floor. Maybe listen to the motor from out here. Because the machine room is right here, but I'll just listen to the motor from out here. You can hear the relays.
Yep.
There goes the elevator, and listen to the motor from right here. I'll use a submersible pump. Alright, I guess that'll be it for this place.